Hi everyone, this is Rakul. Hope everyone is safe and doing well. ఇప్పుడే మిస్టేక్ మోషన్ పోస్ట్ చూశాను. Felt exciting and I'm quite thrilled. The concept of the film seems to be very interesting. So all the best to director Sunny Komalapatti, producer Abhinav Sardar and the entire cast and crew. Thank you so much. Hey, one minute. ఇంతకీ మీరు చేసిన మిస్టేక్ ఏంటి?
Please do subscribe to Madhura Audio.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audios.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audio.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audio. Please subscribe to Madhura Audio. Don't forget to subscribe to Madhura Audio.